Never in my wildest dreams did I ever think I'd be driving down Santa Monica Beach, home of Baywatch, looking out to the side of the window and actually seeing a Baywatch babe running alongside me. Now this is what I call the most enjoyable road test I've ever done.
Clearly, I'm no David Hasselhoff, but there again, I've got something even the Hoffs never had. This is the Land Rover DC100 Sport, and it is quite simply the coolest Land Rover they've ever built. This is Land Rover's vision of the next generation Defender, and a vehicle very, very similar to this could be in showrooms near you by 2015. Doing a new Defender is just about the hardest job in the world of global design, because you're replacing one of the great icons. The original has sold nearly 2 million since 1948, and it is one of the most recognizable vehicles on the planet.
But getting down to the serious business and remembering for a moment I am a motoring editor, not an extra from Baywatch, I can tell you that this may be a concept Land Rover, but it really handles like a real Defender. This is thick sand and it is floating across it. As you'd normally expect with a Defender, this looks like a vehicle that can tackle any terrain.